Hey guys, welcome back. Sitting by the fire with a hot cup of cocoa and covered by a warm woolly blanket, there is nothing like winter. But while you may be having the best time of your life, your hair is not. With the right winter hair care tips, you can protect your hair from becoming fragile and breakage prone. The cold can make your scalp dry and flaky and your hair rough and brittle. Just like we protect our bodies from the cold, our hair also needs protection during the winter. So, keep your hair strong, smooth, and hydrated despite the chilling temperature. Your hair care during winter should be tailored for the season. Help keep it looking luscious and healthy with our Barnet boosting tips. So in this video we will talk about winter hair care routine. 1. Moisturize your scalp with hair oil. During winter, your scalp gets dry and itchy due to the lack of moisture in the air. This may lead to dandruff, scalp irritation, and flakiness, causing hair fall. A hot oil massage with nourishing hair oils like coconut and olive oils works wonders. 2. Avoid frequent hair washes. Frequently washing your hair with shampoo strips off its natural oils, causing further dryness and irritation. Try to extend the time between your washes. Do not shampoo your hair more than twice a week. Always use a sulfate-free and mild shampoo to maintain the natural moisture balance. 3. Conditioning the hair in right way. Never skip the conditioner during winter. Use a thick, creamy conditioner containing natural oils like coconut, olive, jojoba oils, and shea butter for deep hydration and nourishment. How to use a conditioner. Shampoo your hair and rinse it thoroughly. Apply the conditioner from the mid-length to the hair ends. Concentrate on the ends to prevent dryness and split ends. Leave the conditioner on for a few minutes and then wash with normal water. 4. Apply a deep conditioning hair mask weekly. Regardless of what condition your hair is in or your natural hair texture, this applies. We're all in need of a moisture boost to help combat winter hair, and if you're not looking after damaged hair, you should help take preventive measures. A hair mask with nourishing and moisturizing ingredients like egg and honey conditions the hair. These ingredients moisturize dry locks, enhance hair growth, add shine, and soften the hair. 5. Don't shower too hot or too cold. When you're in the mood for a restorative bath and a book in the cooler months, there's nothing more relaxing to help get you in the mood for sleep or take care of tired limbs. But the conditions that you wash in might be contributing to your winter hair. Extra hot water temperatures can strip those all-important natural oils from your scalp and create sensitivity on your dome. And when we say extreme temperatures, that means extra cold water. 2. Take note in case you're a fan of a refreshing blast from the cold tap in the mornings. 6. Take a break from your heat styling appliance. Heated curlers, straighteners, and hair dryers are all culprits in creating or worsening dry hair in winter. Since their temperatures get hot, they play havoc with hair's moisture levels. Embrace your natural hair texture and air dry your tresses as much as possible. Avoid blow drying as it draws moisture out of your hair. Try these winter hair care tips to keep your hair in great shape even when it's freezing outside. Cold, wet winter weather can take its toll on your hair. The most effective and practical way to protect your hair from the elements is to cover your head with a hat or scarf. But make sure that it's not too tight, as this will restrict the circulation in your scalp. That's it for this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, bye.